So welcome to the Man World Boom, and I just made a waterproof laptop because sometimes you want to game in the pool. Okay, so I've got this old laptop. It's pretty much useless, it's so slow. So we're going to make it waterproof, or at least we're going to attempt to make it waterproof today. We've got some of this stuff here. I've got that left over from a project, and it's pretty magical stuff. It's a mixture of rainbow extract and unicorn essence. So if you spray it on electrical things, it makes it waterproof. So we're going to test it. Okay, let's see if it starts up. Okay, so the screen is dead.
2 hours later. 3 hours later.
Okay, we're in. Okay, so I got it to start up. The screen is definitely affected. As you can see, there's some white blotches there, and I sprayed the absolute heck out of everything. So obviously, LCD panels and unicorn essence don't mix well, but at least it's working. You're gonna have to give me about 30 minutes for this thing to finish booting up, and then I'm gonna load a little game. Classic, real classic, because this is a classic machine. So sometimes when you're gaming in the garden, you know, there's water hazards around you, and accidents do happen. Whew. Still going, still up. Whew. Ah. 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 Ah, 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 hey, I'm still working. Still working. I've got just a not responding program here, so it's picked up a minor glitch, but it's still alive and working. The touchpad, everything works. Windows is loading and trying to load. Just to show you guys, it's very much still working. There's a slight glitch there. It's just loading and saying, do you want to end process or not? But I mean, I was gaming through all of this. So I did kind of take out all the screws and didn't put them back. So everything's a bit loose, but maybe I'll just try a reboot and see if we can take it into the pool. See if it'll actually work underwater in salt water. It's in the middle of winter, and we're expecting snow tomorrow. We're back. Game back. I wonder if it's going to work. It really wants to try. It's trying. I can hear it's trying, but the poor little computer is not up to the task. See, the problem is I don't know if I actually trust the computer. Okay, so we drained a bit of the water and we're back in business. So I don't actually know if it's going to work flat anymore, but on its side it seems to boot up now. Anyway, we're off to the pool. We're going to see how that goes. So welcome to the Man World Boom, and I just made a waterproof laptop because sometimes you want to game in the pool. It is the middle of winter. Hey! Hey! Okay. Okay, it's working. Alright, so the game runs. Sometimes it's a bit of a water hazard hitting your PC. Hey, it's cold. Goodness me, it's cold. Hey. Press the power button. Damn, that's not the computer, it's my fault. Starting up.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Welcome to the Man World Boom. And I made a waterproof laptop. Well, kind of. So it survived the first test nicely, and then it failed on the pool test. But I mean, let's be honest. If you walk into the store and there are two laptops next to each other, the one says it's just a laptop, and the other one says it's a waterproof laptop, and they're exactly the same. They're the same price, and the waterproof laptop is incidentally just covered with unicorn essence, which is incredibly oily and sticky. Which one are you going to choose? Obviously, you're going to choose the waterproof laptop. That one's toast. Hey. Find the thing. There you go. Free laptop if anyone's interested. Let's go. Alright, thanks for watching, and enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed some of this content, this type of thing, do me a favor and subscribe. And I'm honest, I'm serious though. Free laptop. If you want it, it's yours. Maybe I'll put it in a museum. Off to work. I think I can skip it across the water. I'm gonna end up splashing. Yes!
I don't want peace. I want problems always.